In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom-sized design using Canva. So whether you're designing a stunning flyer or a personalized poster, I'll guide you through the process in a way that's simple and easy to follow. First things first, let's start by going to your Canva homepage. If you haven't already navigated there, just open your web browser and type in the Canva URL to get started. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. This is your creative hub, and from here, you have access to Canva's incredible range of design tools and options. Now, once you're on the homepage, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Create. It's usually pretty prominent and hard to miss. Click on that, and you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, select the option that says Custom Size. This is an integral part of the process because it allows you to set dimensions tailored to your specific needs rather than being constrained by preset templates. Once you've selected Custom Size, you'll be presented with a couple of boxes where you can input the measurements for your design. By default, the units might be set to pixels, but for this project, we're going to change it to inches. You'll see a drop-down menu next to the input boxes. Click on that and select In for inches. This will ensure your design size is appropriate for printing purposes, which is especially useful if you're planning to make physical copies of your work. After adjusting the units to inches, it's time to set the dimensions. For this particular project, enter 8.5 for the width and 11 for the height. These are standard dimensions for a letter-sized piece of paper, making them perfect for flyers, posters, or any document you might need to print. Once those numbers are entered, go ahead and click on the Create New Design button. With that single click, Canva will open a new design window with a blank canvas that's perfectly sized to your specifications. And there you have it. Your custom-sized design is ready for you to fill with creativity. At this point, you can dive into Canva's vast library of features. Choose backgrounds, text, graphics, and other design elements to bring your vision to life. The possibilities are endless with the tools at your disposal on Canva. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a custom-sized design in Canva, setting the stage for whatever amazing project you have in mind. Keep experimenting and using Canva's features to polish and perfect your design. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.